Hey, I'm Tomasz, we are here in Connecticut state, and in this video we are going to explore the greatest place in America to live and downtown Hartford, Connecticut's capital. Come with me. For breakfast or lunch, because it's around noon, we came to the Dunkin Donuts to eat something. It will be my first time in this franchise.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice.
This donut actually is served tasty. I really like it. Shaken espresso with brown sugar. We came to West Hartford, which is one of the best places to live in America, and we'll look around in West Hartford Center. There are a lot of Mark Twain ideas on the wall because he lived here in Hartford or in West Hartford. I'm not sure which one. At my back you can see West Hartford's town hall. It's not a city hall because it's not a city, and this is a very expensive place to live, but on the other hand they have one of the best public school system in the country.
I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
We are in a Japanese shop, and I don't know what to buy here. I can't recognize anything. And we arrived to a huge bookstore. Look around. It's not small. Afternoon, but it's still raining. We came to Hartford downtown. We are starting our walking tour at the Yukon University at the Hartford campus.
Hey, what's up, Welcome to... Wait, you're late. You're late to my class. Alright, you know what? Just take your seat, man. I don't want to... Take your seat wherever you want to sit. I don't want to deal with your shenanigans right now. Where are you going?
Home.
Okay, bye.
Hun is my tour guide here. Hun is my tour guide here in Hartford, and this is his university.
Yeah, I went here for 2 years, here at the Hartford campus, and yeah, it's very nice. Not the biggest campus at all. I mean, it's only a building, and we only have a few other buildings, but yeah, it's very nice. Very, very nice for sure.
Here, at this place where I'm standing right now, back in the 20th century was a Jack Kennedy speech before an election. Very interesting. So currently I'm standing on American history maybe. You guys know that Connecticut's capital, Hartford, has a building which looks like the Empire State Building for me. I didn't know it.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always true.
arrived to the Bushnell Park, which is the second oldest park in the United States, funded by the public. Hartford is Connecticut's capital, so at my back you can see the state capitol's building, which is the most iconic and most impressive building of the city.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again.
My tour guide Tony bring me to the barbecue beers smokehouse. He told me that it will be an absolute American barbecue restaurant.
Yes, sir. Bro, just wait. This is gonna be huge.
These are our meals. Mac attack means mac and cheese, plus the Texas sauce for me, for the Kansas City sauce for Huni, and pulled pork. And if you ask for a cup, you have unlimited soft drinks here. And if I'm right, this is tea. Guys, this is so American. I mean, it's like what we see in the videos or in the films in Texas, here in the East Coast in Connecticut, in Hartford. And the food looks great. Let's try. The meat is good. Let's see the mac. Yeah, this is good as well. This is a huge plate. I'm not sure if I can eat it.
Guys, this is one of the spiciest sauces in Connecticut. It has ghost chili pepper in it. We're gonna have this man try it out. He's in America. He's gotta try this out for the real American experience. I'm gonna try it as well. And yeah. Alright, here you go, bro. Just try that much.
Okay.
That's gonna be crazy. Here's my part. Woo. Okay.
Let's taste.
Alright, cheers. Cheers. That's not that bad.
What? We changed the sauce. This is not the spicy one. Well, actually. Oh. That's it. Okay, wrong sauce, guys. This is the spicy one. We tried the sweet one.
Wait, this is spicy. Wait.
Put it here.
I think we have to put
There
more.
too.
Oh my gosh. But I think we have to put more for a better effect. I'm gonna put a lot more. Ooh. Now it's gonna be real American experience. Oh my gosh. This was a bad idea.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm not having any more of that. Oh my god.
I have to put more because I don't feel that.
Bro, my mouth is on fire.
Mine is not yet. I have to put more.
Hey, if we put a little bit, it's not that bad. But wow.
He left.
That was a bad idea. That was too much. That ruins the taste.
This barbecue place was very good. They play very great music, rock and country music, so yeah, I can recommend it. We arrived back. So yeah, it was this video. Hope you like this. Subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hey,